Hey everybody, I thought I'd take a minute to show you how to turn in your Google Slides, whatever it is. In this case, it's going to be the Enlightenment exploration or exploring the Enlightenment activity. But this really works for any of the Google Slides or Google Forms or Google Docs activities that we ever do. This is how you turn in something from Google. But anyways, let's take a look specifically at how to turn in the Google assignment that is labeled Exploring the Enlightenment. So let's get there first. It's going to be inside the Unit 5 folder. You will notice that there is an Absolutism and Enlightenment folder. When you click on that, there is the assignment. There is the link to the assignment. So again, walking you all the way through it. Click on the link. Blackboard, of course, will make you click on it twice because Blackboard. Now, you're going to come up with this screen. Now, you're going to probably have to be in your Google account already, but it'll probably ask you to sign in if it wants you to do so. So you're coming up to the screen. This is not an error. You need to make a copy so that you're making a copy for yourself to complete. Waiting, waiting, waiting. There it is. Okay, so now you have the assignment here. I'm going to show you in class how to do it. This is not a video about how to do this particular assignment, but it's all here. You work your way through. You get to the end. You have done all of your 6-word memoirs. You have figured out the influence and impact that the Enlightenment had in various areas. You have hopefully done and completed and successfully completed your locked out breakout room activity. Very challenging. I have tough time with that one too. Anyway, so you get everything done. Here's what you need to do to actually get credit for the activity. You're going to go up to that share button right here. See, share. I'm going to try this out. I haven't used this. Look, I'm circling it. Ooh, that's a new feature. I'm thrilled and excited. Okay, so that's the button that you want to click on. All right, you want to click on the share button. So if I click on share, I'm going to get this screen. Now notice, you are not typing anybody. You're not adding people or anything like that. You're not putting my address in there. You're not clicking on Chris Malik down here. You are going down here. You're going to submit to me a link. So you want to copy the link. But before you copy link, see how it says restricted? This is one of the stupidest, pardon the word, but stupidest things that Google does. I go there to get a link and it says restricted. Only people with access can open the link. In other words, the link is totally useless unless you own it. And you're trying to share it with me. So you need to go click on the restricted and say, hey, anyone with the link can. Yes, at the very least, viewer. Of course, I'll need to view it. I would really prefer commenter so that I can comment on your work and give you some feedback. So now that it says anyone with link and commenter, oh, let me try this out too. Hey, commenter, ooh, and anyone with link, ooh, then you're gonna go down here and use the copy link button. Wow, that's fancy. I'm sort of liking this drawing stuff, except for when I click exit drawing, it all disappears, but that's okay. So when you click on the copy link button, see it says link copied. Did you see that little pop-up here? We'll do it one more time. Link copied. So you have the link on your clipboard. I know it doesn't pop up and show you, but it's there. Let's go back to Blackboard. We'll have to hit the back button. Thank you, Blackboard. This is the assignment. That's why the little icon is here. So when you click on it, this is where you're going to submit your link. There we go. So under write submission, see how I clicked that and the box appeared? I'm just going to click in that box and I'm going to hit Control on my keyboard, Control V. There's the link. That's really all you need. Now, if you are, and see, look at that, it even appeared so that I can see it in pretty form. Thank you, Blackboard or Google or whoever does that. Anyways, the last part that you may wish to submit, if you're not able to show it to me, and forget it. You should really show it, submit it here instead, even if you show it to me in class. So submitting your screenshot, take a screenshot. I'm not going to show you how to do that. I think you can figure that out. Take a screenshot, and you're going to submit that here for the extra credit portion from the breakout room. All right. So that is just simply a matter of of actually pasting it in here once you get it, or you could link it, or I think there's actually a way to, well, I don't know. But yes, believe me, you will figure out how to get the screenshot in here. That's a lot easier. The settings for the Google Doc are incredibly important. Again, anyone with the link can comment, copy the link. Anyone with the link, comment, copy the link. Then you are done, and you can take that link and submit it to me, and that's how I will be able to see your work and grade you. Okay, kids, good luck on the breakout room. Good luck exploring these Enlightenment ideals and Enlightenment thinkers. It's really a fascinating time. It shifts the entire way that people think about their governments, at least in the Western world. Fascinating topic. Good luck. Thank you for paying attention and watching my video. Oop. I meant to stop the video instead of submit, but here we go. I'm going to now stop the video.